There is a guy who never touched a stock, never coded an app, and never had a vision. He just owned a bunch of ugly metal boxes. Last year he cleared $2.3 million. No app, no investors, no pitch desk, just boxes. Is not even the most boring name of this list. Stick around because number one is going to make you rethink literally everything you consider a good business. What's up? Welcome back to the channel where we don't chase hype, we chase cash flow. Today we are counting down 10 businesses that are almost embarrassing to bring up at a dinner party, but are quietly printing money while everyone else is chasing the next AI startup. No hype, no buzzwords, just boring. Let's get it into. Number 10. Vending machines. Yeah, that ones you ignore in the break room. A single well-placed machine can pull in $2,000 to $400 a month. Now multiply that by a route of 30 machines. That's a part-time job paying full-time money. Why does it work? Almost zero competition for the boring stuff. Insanely low overhead, and people buy snacks of autopilot. No marketing needed. Number 9. Laundryman. The definition of nobody's dream job. But get this, a decent laundryman can next six figures a year, and it's run almost entirely unattended. Cash businesses, low labor machines, and basically run themselves. It's a vending machine, just bigger and better. Number 8. Dumpster rental. As glamorous as it sounds, one dumpster can rent for $300 to $500 a week. You buy its one and it just sit there getting paid over and over and over. It's basically a metal box that appreciates through pure laziness. Yours, not the customers. Okay, real talk. Why does nobody teach this stuff? We grew up hearing invest in the stock market, never buy 40 dumpsters. Number 7. Car washes, especially the self-serve kind. No employees, no inventory, that spoils just quarters and water pressure. Some self-serve washes clear 80% profit margin. It's a business that quite literally cleans up. Number 6. Portable toilets. Yes, we are doing this. Construction sites, festivals, weddings. Somebody has to go and that somebody pays premium rates for the privilege. One unit can rent for $100 to $175 a month. Buy 50, do the math, it's not glamorous, but neither is your paycheck. Notice a pattern yet, none of these businesses need you to be a genius. They need to be willing to do the thing everyone else thinks is beneath them. Number 5. Parking lots, literally just empty space. In densities, a single lot can generate hundreds of thousands a year. You are not selling a product, you are selling square footage people are desperate for. It's a real estate with almost zero maintenance. The land does the work. You just collect. Number 4. Pest patrol. Somebody's got to deal with the bugs and it's not going to be the homeowner. It's a recurring revenue machine, quarterly contracts, repeat customers, and a service people will always pay for. Fear is a hack of a business model. Quick pause. If this is the kind of stuff you actually want to more of his, subscribe. I put out videos like this every week and trust me, we have barely scratched the surface of the boring businesses. Alright, back to it. We are halfway through and the businesses are about to get even more ridiculous. Number 3. Commercial cleaning. Office buildings, gyms, medical clinics. Someone's cleaning that at 6 a.m. before anyone shows up. Contracts can run into the tens of thousands per month per buildings, and once you land a client, they rarely leave. Switching cleaning companies is a hustle nobody wants. It's an invisible labor with very visible profit. As ask yourself, when's the last time you saw a cleaning company founder on a magazine cover? Never, because they are too busy actually making money. Number 2. ATM rule. Yes, you can just own ATMs. Everyone withdraws, you can take a cut. $2 to $3 a transaction. Please a machine, someone's busy and it's a pay for itself in under a year. You are not a bank, you are just renting people access to their own money and getting paid for the convenience. And now the one we taste at the very top, number 1. Self storage. Remember that guy from the intro, $2.3 million a year from boxes, empty metal boxes. Here's why it's insane. The demand never stops. Diverse, downsizing, moving, hoarding. Life is a consistently producing people who need a box to dump their stuff in. And once someone rent a unit, they almost never move their stuff out ever. It just sit there paying you forever. It's not a storage business, it's a subscription to human procrastination. So, there's you have it, 10 businesses nobody brags about at parties, and 10 businesses quietly making people rich. The lessons: you don't need a genius idea. You need a boring problem that people will pay to make disappear. Next video, we are breaking down how much it actually costs to start one of these from zero. With real numbers, you don't want to miss that one. Subscribe, and I will see you there. Bye bye.